way. So that's it. I've got the a1000 3-axis gimbal, and my camera should sit on top of that without a problem. Alright, let's get it unboxed. Looks like it comes in a nice packing case. That just sort of lifts out. And there's a set of instructions that come with it. Looks like they're written in Polish. And it looks like it all unpacks nicely. That looks like it's the hand unit. Oh, there we go. And that's the gimbal. And the camera sits on that bit there. So I suppose I better read the instructions and put all this together, huh? That's the charger unit for batteries. That looks like a data cable. Set of different leads and what looks like a foot unit which sort of spreads out like that, so you can, I imagine you can just fix that to the bottom there and stand it when you need to. That's kind of handy. And the only other thing in this package is the batteries. I like the way it comes in this carry case, and that makes life a little easier for me. Right, there was one thing I saw in the lid here. Let's have a look in that. That's a letter from FeiYu Tech telling me that I'm the greatest customer they've ever had. Oh, there you go, look. Axis gimbal for mirrorless camera in English and what looks to be in Mandarin. That can go over there with my Polish, and that's a warranty card which I'll have to register online. So that looks like my information sheet, which it is. So I'm just going to put all this together now, and then we'll see how it works. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.